Hello, Sagittarius Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayo? And welcome to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading for March 2025. So ano po ang mga plano ninyo, mga wishes nyo this month? O tumalo na, King of Wands ang yung center this month. Wow, passion, fire within you. Use po yung my comment section as your motivation board or vision board para ma-manifest nyo po yung mga wishes and plans nyo this month. So, i-comment nyo po sa baba yung mga pangarap and wishes ninyo. Use for your intuition so that you can get the exact at akmang messages from your spirit guides sa reading natin. Yung ibang mga bagay para sa ibang Sagittarius po yun. So thank you again for the likes, for the shares, and subscriptions, and for not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness and support sa ating channel. Thank you po sa lahat ng suporta ninyo. At the center, we have yung tumalon na, the King of Wands. You have the fire, the passion within you to do things this month. In the area of what you want, you have the Five of Cups. In the position of what you need, you have the Moon card. Wow. In the area of your recent past, Sagittarius, you have the Four of Wands. In the area of your near future, you have the Ten of Pentacles. Whoa. Kaperahan, kasaganahan, pagkamal ng malaking pera na pangmatagalan. Congrats, Sagittarius. Magandang March mo. In the area of your challenge this month, Sagittarius, you have the Two of Pentacles, balance, harmony. In the area of your fortune, you have the Nine of Pentacles. Wow. Financial freedom, financial stability. In the area of your advice this month, you have the Devil card and the Emperor card. Okay, pag-usapan natin ito. Medyo maganda itong reading na to. And your outcome this month, Sagittarius, you have the Justice card. Wow, good karma. Everything that you want will go back to you. Lahat ng pinakait sa'yo, pabalik sa'yo this month. So pag-usapan natin yan. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Knight of Wands. Things, good news parting sa'yo this month. Good news na mabilis sa darating. It is like a parang sideline o may mag-aalok sa'yo ng trabaho o may bibigay sa'yo ng new position or an opportunity na matutuwa ka and you will be very, very happy to accept and acknowledge it na parang, uy, ito pala yung magandang balita na bigay sa akin this month, whether approval o I'm seeing someone getting what they prayed for, yung mga nilakad mo nakaraang linggo, nakaraang buwan, yan may result na this month. So abangan mo yung good news na yan, Sagittarius. So nasa background siya ng iyong reading for this month. At the center, ang tumalon, ang hindi makapaghintay na King of Wands. I'm seeing you have this fire within you to do the things that you want this month. Merong paggalaw, may pag-asenso. Meron kang pagkakaabalahan this month that you will be very, very happy and very, very motivated na parang desidido ka to do it or try it, whether a new job, kung may mag-aalok man sa'yo. I'm seeing someone giving you like, uy, may bukas daw doon, try mo. And then ikaw parang, sige, kahit di ka naman sure kung pasok ka sa qualifications o para sa'yo ba yun, parang try mo. Parang open ka to try everything this month. You have the passion, the fire, and the bravery. Parang ang tapang mo ngayon this month to try it. Meron kang dito, ang saya-saya mo, parang yes, meron kang susubukan, meron kang gagawin. And it's like a manifestation of a previous dream or a previous prayer. So, congratulations because ang daming action this month. So, the King of Wands is being clarified by the High Priestess. Yes, yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, yung tiwala mo kay God, yung tiwala mo sa kapalaran na ito na yun, this time, ito na yun. Parang I'm seeing you having that mentality and mindset na this time hindi ko na to palalagpasin, this time kaya ko to, ganyan. So let's have akit po tayo sa inyong position of what you want and what you need. Ang Five of Cups nasa position of what you want. Gusto mo na daw ng ibang bagay. This time parang na-realize mo yung mga nakaraan na mga bagay na rejections o failures o mga hindi mo nakuha, yung pinagtrabahuhan mo ng pinagtrabahuhan pero hindi mo nakuha, Sagittarius. So, parang this time, you realized, okay, it's time for me to move on. It's time for me to go out and try new things and try to embrace itong mga naghihintay. Parang you are being optimistic and grateful sa life mo ngayon. You're seeing different potential sa life mo. Bakit kaya? Try ko kaya yun. Try ko to. Try ko yun. Ang nakikita ko, use your past heartaches and failures as lessons so that when you're gonna embrace this new endeavor in your life, gamitin mo yun, yung mga lessons na yun para this time, hindi na maulit yung mga nangyari noon. Okay? The Five of Cups is being clarified, but the Three of Cups, yeah, this time, celebrate naman daw small wins. Celebrate naman daw the things na meron ka. Halimbawa, nawalan ka ng trabaho. And then now you're saying, hindi, meron pa akong chance. Kaya ko pa mag-apply sa iba't ibang ganyan. So, have that positive aura within you. Find the people that will parang hype you and will support you, ganyan. So, make sure na yung puso at isip mo ay may galak pa rin, meron ka pa rin optimism, meron ka pa rin paghahangad for beautiful possibilities sa paparating sa'yo. Kung ano man yung mga nawala, tanggapin mo na lang na wala na talaga yun. Wala ka na magagawa doon. End na yun. Kahit isipin mo pa na paulit-ulit, tapos na yun. So, now is the right time to be happy. Magalak ka kasi kung may nawala, may mas magandang paparating. May mas malaki at mas magandang divinely orchestrated and divinely gifted para sa'yo na kaloob talaga ng Diyos. Hindi tinanggal yun sa'yo dahil kinarma ka o minalas ka. Tinanggal yun sa'yo kasi sabi ng Diyos, hindi yun para sa'yo. Okay? In the area of what you need to trust the unknown. Sabi dito ng the moon card. Sabi sa'yo ng spirit guides, you need to trust yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa naiintindihan now. Yung mga bagay na parang kailan, paano na ako ngayon, paano na yung gagawin ko, sino na makakapitan ko, saan ako pupunta para makuha ko yung gantong bagay o ma-achieve ko yung goal ko this month. The spirit guides are telling you to just trust the process, trust the unknown. Kapag naramdaman mo sa sarili mo, it's also telling you na parang trust your intuition. Kung alam mong tama, ito yung tama mong gawin, go there, do that. Yun yung kaloob sa'yo na right path or right decision or right action sa ng spirit guides mo, ng higher ups, na higher being, kung ano po pinapaniwalaan po ninyo, na yun ang dapat mong gawin. So, learn to surrender the control, learn to surrender the trying to force things na kailangan alam ko agad. Have faith in your belief in your spiritual power na kung ano man yung paparating at kung ano man yung kailangan kong tahakin, sa dulo nandun yung liwanag, sa dulo nandun yung light, and you will see na tama pala yun, tama pala nag-surrender ako, tama pala na pinagkatiwalaan ko na lang ang Diyos sa mga bagay-bagay at hindi ko pinilit naintindihin now because the answers will come to you at the right time. So the moon card is to be clarified by the Eight of Wands. Like I've said, on the right path because Eight of Wands is a card of telling you na kung anong ginagawa mo, nasa tamang landas ka. And that paparating sa yung good news. So just have to surrender, just have to trust. Darating sa iyo yung good news at mga hinihiling mo at the right time. Okay? Yan ang need mo ngayong panghawakan, Sagittarius. In the area of your recent past, you have the Four of Wands. There was stability. You focused yourself for your family o sa stability ng pamilya mo. I'm hearing you sacrificed a lot in order for you to achieve kung ano yung mga pangangailangan at responsibility for your family. I'm hearing pinagpaliban mo yung certain dream mo, a certain pagnanais mo to go for what's right and go for what's the best for the family, for the greater good of their family. So, may mga bagay kang tinrabaho at pinagpaguran para sa kasiyahan ng pamilya mo because Four of Wands about stability for home, sa family, sa bahay. Kung nagpagawa ka ng bahay in the past, bumili ka ng lote, nagbenta ka ng bahay, ganyan. So, it's all about you accumulating everything about home, family, house, ganyan. So, I'm seeing someone selling a house, no? O nag-iisip ka na ibenta yung bahay in the past and walang bumibili o you're trying to babaan yung presyo para may tumingin man lang, ganyan. So, it's all about home and your stable life with your family. So, the Four of Wands is being clarified by the Seven of Swords. So, I'm seeing talaga strategizing ka nga. Nag-strategize ka on how to have a stable life for your family in the past. And now you have the power within you para may susubukan ka this time and you trust your instinct to do that. And that will lead you, Sagittarius, to a better future. Ten of Pentacles. Pangmatagalan at pangmalakasan at kaperahan na magagamit mo hindi lang ngayon, hindi lang next month, hindi lang next year, but pangmatagalan hanggang sa mag-retire ka, hanggang sa tumanda ka. So, your life in the near future, Sagittarius, is all about you accumulating and gathering pagkamal ng stable na pera na hindi ka na mag-iisip kung may panggastos ka ba this month, may pambayad ka ba sa bills, o kung may pera ka ba kung may emergency, o kung may ipon ka ba, makakaipon ka. I'm seeing you. This good news will give you your financial stability na kailangan mo in the future, Sagittarius. So, the Ten of Pentacles is being clarified by the Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment. Take time po muna to make a wish because in my practice, kapag lumabas ang Nine of Cups in any of my reading, this is the right time for you to make a wish because Nine of Cups will make your wishes come true. So, take a moment, close your eyes, and make a wish. Kung ano po yung dinarasal mo, and matutupad yan. So, this as a confirmation for the Ten of Cups, a wish come true dun sa mga tinatrabaho mo na pang matagalan, your legacy, yung pang stability ng bahay ko, kailangan stability ng buhay mo at ng family mo. Kung bumibili ka ng bahay ngayon, yan makukuha mo na in the future. Kung nag-iisip ka na bibili ka ng lote, ganyan, o yung pang bagay na magagamit mo for the long time, darating yan, a wish granted for you. So congratulations, palakpakan, manlibre ka naman, Sagittarius. In the near future, ang challenge mo this month, Sagittarius, ay Two of Pentacles. I know you've been working so hard in acquiring things and accumulating more money. So, ang challenge sa'yo ay harmony. Kung nagkatrabaho ka masyado, try mo naman din magpahinga paminsan-minsan. So, learn to have a good balance in your life. If you work hard, play hard. Learn to balance things. I know, importante sa'yo yung maraming bagay and you're doing your best. God is seeing you, how hard you sweat and how hard you work for your family. So, make sure lang na balanse ka, pangalagaan mo rin yung iyong katawan. I'm seeing back pain or masakit na kasukasuan or headaches na palaging lumalabas sa'yo kasi pagod ka lagi. So, make sure that you are focusing too on your mental health and your physical health. So, balance. Make sure that you are not just focusing on work. Okay? Isipin mo rin yung sarili mo at your family mo so that everything will be harmonious in your life this month. So, the Two of Pentacles is being clarified by the Emperor. Dalawang beses ba sa Emperor? So, nasa iyo daw ang kapangyarihan, nasa iyo ang lakas at control sa life mo. I know, mahirap minsan mag-ayos ng schedule sa trabaho kasi hindi mo naman hawak ang oras mo sa trabaho, di ba? Pero, every time you are out of your job or out of your negosyo, make sure na pangangalagaan mo rin ang sarili mo at meron kang schedule. So, ngayon, isipin mo na rin kung paano mo i-schedule yung exercise o kaya time for yourself, Netflix and chill, ganyan-ganyan, o magluto ka for your family, have fun with your family, bukas may trabaho na naman. So, make sure na may schedule mo and you have that ability. Binibigyan ka ng ability this month to do that. In the area of your fortune, ang ganda-ganda nito, you have the Nine of Pentacles, financial stability, the fruit of your labor, yung mga pinaghirapan mo noon, mga dinasal mo, yung mga gusto mong ma-acquire. I don't know why I see this. Yung parang dati gusto mong bumili ng TV. Now, makakabili ka na ng flat screen TV na smart TV. Smart TV. I'm sorry, dumigay ako. Sorry. Smart TV na gusto mong bilhin in the past. Parang bigla ko nakita yun, makakabili ka na nun. Parang you're enjoying the things na bunga ng paghihirap mo. So now is the right time to have that. I'm also seeing you getting so happy. Parang independent ka this time. Wala kang pake kung wala si ganito, wala si ganyan. Parang you're so happy with the things na meron ka and you are not bothered kung wala si ganito, wala si ganyan. Basta masaya ka sa meron ka at masaya ka sa pera mo, sa sarili mo, sa nabibili mo, ganyan. And also there will be a chance for you to lend a hand for other people. Pwede kang magbigay sa mga kapatid mo, sa pamangkin mo, sa anak mo. So you're gonna be generous this time around, Sagittarius. So the Nine of Pentacles being clarified by the Knight of Wands. Dalawang beses lumabas sa Knights. Mabilis na darating sa iyo itong good news na to about your financial stability. Whether, halimbawa, this time makabenta ka ng 3 condo unit, ganyan. Mabenta na yung bahay ninyo, makabenta ka ng kotse, makabili ka ng mga bagay na gusto mo, material things. So, mabilis sa parating sa'yo yan this month. So, abangan mo yan, Sagittarius. In the area of your advice from the Divine, you have the Devil card and the Emperor card. I'm seeing you have that power daw to para makawala ka dun sa mga chains na chains na nagpapapigil sa'yo to acquire the things that you want. Whether putulin mo yung connection mo sa mga toxic na tao, toxic na mindset, whether toxic na habit mo, kung late ka lagi natutulog at tanghali ka nagigising, putulin mo na yan. Yung mga mali mong habit, whether inom, sugal, o sigarilyo, you have the ability, na sa'yo ang kalakasan at power and ability. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na hindi ko kaya. Because you have, kaya mo, you have the ability and the chance and the control in your life to end these negative things in your life, whether toxic partner or toxic people in your workplace, kaya mo putulin yung connection mo sa kanila, you have the control over that. So the devil card is being clarified by the Six of Pentacles. Make sure daw na yung mga taong lumalapit sa iyo at pinagbibigyan mo ng atensyon, time, oras, energy, pera ay karapat-dapat at hindi ka mababaon sa utang o hindi ka malalagay sa sitwasyon na lalo magbibigay sa iyo ng malaking problema, okay? Have that discernment on seeing and reassess kung sino yung mga taong dapat mong pagkatiwalaan at mga bagay na pinaglalaanan mo ng oras at atensyon. Whether sobra ka nag-i-internet overnight, hindi ka na natutulog o masyado ka naglalaan ng oras mo, ng spare time mo sa maling bagay o sa maling tao o sa maling sitwasyon, okay? Seeing someone nagsusugal, so bawas-bawasan mo o tanggalin mo na sa life mo yung paglalaan mo ng pera sa mga maling bagay, okay? The Emperor is being clarified by the Ten of Wands. So, nasa sa'yo talaga yung power para putulin na yung mga burden o yung mga paghihirap mo. You have that ability. Huwag mo isipin na wala kang choice o na hindi mo kaya, because you have that choice. You have that power within you para mawala itong mga burden sa'yo. So, kung ano man itong mga mali mong ginagawa o mga toxic traits mo, kaya mo yung tanggalin sa life mo. Ito, makikita mo magbabago ang life mo for the better, gagaan ang lahat at magbubukas ang doors for opportunities, for swerte, and for abundance. Bago tayo puntahan itong outcome mo na napakaganda na Justice card, let's have additional messages from the Divine. First, you have number 5. Converting nyo po ang number 5 on number of significance. This is a confirmation that this reading is for you. Ayan, tumalon. Kung nakakita po kayo ng paniki anywhere, whether pictures, personal, internet, o kahit sa napag-usapan nyo man lang in the recent past, or now, nakakita ka ng bat, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. A rebirth is assured. So, putulin mo talaga to. Talagang magbagong buhay ka. And you have everything that you need for you to start over. At makikita mo tong future mo, kasagandaan, financial stability, lahat ng pangangailangan na gusto mo na sa'yo. May wish fulfillment, financial freedom, o good news after good news. So, ano ba bang hinihintay mo, diba? Have that enthusiasm and excitement. Yakapin mo kahit hindi ka sigurado now, o wala pa dumarating now, wala pang kasagutan now. Have that faith and strong spiritual power para asahan na paparating na ang kaloob sa iyo ng Diyos. Okay? Another message, passion and pleasure savor your life. So, pasok siya sa Two of Pentacles, work hard and play hard ka din. Ito ang area na kailangan mo mag-focus this month, Sagittarius. You have judgment. I understand that everyone has their own unique path and challenges. So I'm seeing you, wag mo masyadong husgahan at maliitin ang sarili mo. Kung halimbawa marami kang pinagdaanan ngayon, make sure na hindi mo masyadong hinuhusgahan ang sarili mo at kino-compare mo ang life mo sa life ng iba. You have your own path, you have your own journey. Yung iba yung journey nila, hayaan mo sila, huwag sila pakialaman. Yung journey mo ang intindihin mo, and don't compare yourself to others para hindi ka rin panghinaan ng loob. At also, for you to enjoy the fruit of your labor, enjoy every step of the way. Yung mga small wins, i-enjoy mo yan because those are God's blessings to you. So, enough of the judgment, okay? Enough of paghuhusga sa sarili mo at paghuhusga rin sa iba, because you are accumulating good news in the near future, okay? So, ito ang panghawakan mo this month, Sagittarius. The end card mo or your outcome this month is justice. Kung ano yung mga tinanim mo before, aanihin mo. Kung ano yung mga pinakait sa'yo in the past, ngayon it's the right time for you na babalik siya sa'yo at makukuha mo na yung mga bagay na winish mo makuha. For others, I'm seeing kung kayo po ay may case This is the right time na I'm seeing you marapit nang matapos yung case na yan. Kung may court battle kayo, matapos na rin yan. Mare-restore na yung harmony sa life mo at sa life ng family mo. I'm seeing kung meron ka mang dapat pirmahan na cheque o kontrata, make sure that you are reading the fine lines, basahin mo mabuti. Kung meron ka hindi naiintindihan, ask your a law expert na kasama mo, na pagkakatiwalaan mo to tell you and elaborate things para mas maintindihan mo. Huwag ka basta-basta pipirma on anything that you don't fully understand. For others, I'm seeing you getting the truth about something at the end of the month, whether a truth about your love life, about your job, or about your passion project na ginagawa mo, o kahit yung mga simpleng katotohanan about life, kung ano yung mga passion mo, kung ano yung goals mo this month. So I'm seeing you going to the things na parang, okay, ito yung mga tinanim ko dati, now, yan, paparating na sila. Paparating na yung mga good news and good things. So, good karma is gonna come to you. So, the justice being clarified by the Hierophant. Yes, it's all about your morals. It's all about your values. Yung mga things na inuphold mo sa sarili mo. Now, dating sa'yo si Justice. I'm seeing you imparting lessons o magbibigay ka ng wisdom mo sa ibang tao. People will come to you and ask for advice. Since marami kang pinagdaanan sa buhay, para naging life mission mo, it is time as our outcome is to tell your truth, tell your experiences. Makakatulong ka para sa ibang tao na malinawan sila. So this is like your life calling this month, Sagittarius, at the end. I'm also seeing you getting married for others, Sagittarius, because Hierophant is like marriage and tying the knot. And parang justice is all about the law. So may pagpirma dyan ng marriage contract. So I'm seeing someone getting married or having a stable home, buying a new house, buying a new car. Basta may pagpirma ng kontrata and accumulating things for the things na gusto mo makuha for your family. So for others, I'm seeing Hierophant also is you studying again. Kung halimbawa gusto mo ulit mag-aral or learning new things or getting out of the box. May bago kang idea and you're thinking, ito na yung right time for you to do that. So, this is a lovely, lovely good karma gonna come to you this month, Sagittarius. So, kung saan po kayo naka-resonate and naka-relate, please comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for the likes, for the shares, and for the subscriptions, and for not skipping the ads. See you again next time for your first week of the March reading. Marami po tayong pag-usapan next week. So, this has been James for James Tyler PH. God bless everybody.